Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here's a wall of pallets. We're going to unbox this one and Big Joe. Not sure why it's Big Joe, but we're going to find out what's in Big Joe. So we're going to do this entire pallet and this entire pallet. You're going to be able to find each and every one of these items on hookedonpickin.com. So let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, we're going to start with this one. This box is already open, so I'm just going to grab this one from the top. We're going to find out what's inside. We have Care Bears.
Good old Care Bear.
Care Bears with a straw.
What's the pink Care Bear's name?
Does it have a name? Care Bear? I don't know. I don't know what I watched Care Bears, but it's been a few years. All right, then we have the, oh, hey, just in time for St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
You know? Shamrock Bear. I bet he's lucky.
He's probably Patrick the Bear.
Patrick? Probably Patrick the Bear, yes. Yes, very much so. All right, let's see what else is in this. Well, that opened. What is it? They're like stuck together. Hold on, we're just going to take it out as a block.
Ooh, they are stuck together.
They are. There we go. Dishwasher cleaner.
Well, that's why they're stuck together. Yeah.
There. I mean, they come apart fine, but they're like dishwasher cleaner little
Little pods.
pods.
Yeah. What do you call those things?
I don't know.
Tablets?
Tablets. That sounds like a easy, mess-free, septic safe tablets. All right, so we got all that. And are these the same thing? This says 6 green, 6 pink. Which one? I bet they are the Care Bears. That's exactly what they are. So we have more Care Bears with the straw cups. So you'll find those in the kitchen section of hookedonpickin.com. Looks like this is probably the same thing. Yes. 6 green, 6 pink. Ritz.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go. I'm putting on the Ritz. Wasn't that funny?
That is funny.
So funny. He forgot to laugh. All right, so Ritz peanut butter crackers.
I laughed. Is that better now?
That's so much better.
Okay.
Hey, these are still in date.
This is good.
Yep. There you go. Most randomest. Are these the dishwasher tablets? A fresh washer, 6 count. Same thing, same thing, same thing.
Got a whole bunch.
Whole bunch. What tis this?
This is a great company I've been buying from down in Kentucky, and they send me pictures, and we go through it. So.
Ooh, look at that. Notebooks. Are these different colors?
I think it's a whole pack.
It is. So you can get the black, red, yellow, green, blue, and dark blue.
Yeah, it'd be good for back to school or just anything.
Yeah, we do have a stationery section on hookedonpickin.com. You can find all of these things in the stationery section. Those are handy. Right. I'm always looking for a notebook. So then we got more dishwasher packs.
Nice. Point that way a second.
All right, then we have, it's Stitch, like Lilo in Stitch.
It's a bath bomb.
It is a bath bomb. It's like a flower.
Are those the ones that have surprises inside? I can't remember. Sometimes they have a surprise inside. Like
Peach coconut scented, special edition. Drop a bath bomb. Doesn't say it does. Yeah, we've bought ones that have like jewelry in them.
Jewelry or little characters.
Yeah, or something like that. So, all right, so we've got, are they all the same style? Yeah, they're all the Lilo and Stitch ones. So it looks like we got all 4
The little blue
of those.
guy, that's Stitch?
That's Stitch. Lilo is the girl. Oh my word.
Oh my.
It's all the same.
That's huge.
What is it?
That's an owl, right? Is it or a monster?
No, it's an owl.
What's it say it is? There's a big tag up there.
Oh. Oakley the owl.
Oakley?
Oakley the Owl.
Oakley the Owl.
Is he the one who invented the sunglasses?
Yeah. Is that the Oakley's mascot?
Yes,
Is an owl?
I think for sure.
Big purple
Is that
owl.
what you
Are
have?
you wearing Oakley's right now? He's wearing Oakley's right now. There
He
you
made your glasses. Oakley the Owl. So
Like
you
a-
said that's the rest of what's in there?
go. Oh my.
How many
I gotta
are in
look
there?
At that.
Oh my word. There's a million of them. Okay, hold on. We're going to come look.
There you go.
The big box. We'll have to
I
use
wonder
the
if
big
there's
box.
anything down there. It's probably just all these. Wow. Awesome.
Awesome. You have to come this way.
I gotta come this way
We
now.
move the table so we can get to the next
Move
pallet.
the table. Spin around, spin around, spin around.
Everybody's dizzy now. All right, regain your center of balance. Here we
We're
go.
good now.
All right.
That was a short pallet.
That
Got
was a short
those
pallet.
Big, huge Oakley the Owl guys in there.
All right. We shall do. All right. There we go. That was probably the most manic way to get a box.
You
but
did a great job. I'm proud of you.
I eventually accomplished the task. Superfood medleys. Superfood medleys.
I think it's at dog treat, pet treat,
I don't think so. No, I think this is. Wait. Wild Eats,
Wild Eats, right?
Codskin medallions, and blueberries.
That's pet food, right? Or maybe not.
Yes, because it says it helps promote healthy skin, coat, bones, and joints, and I'm pretty sure
What if we could grow a coat of fur all over our bodies?
we could.
Eat that, you'll grow a coat of fur all over your body.
Pet food.
Or
Superfood.
potentially super people food.
No, it's
Growing a coat all over your body is not a bad idea.
that's true. It would come in handy if you live in the frigid north.
We'd be like Bigfoot running around.
We'll be a bunch of Sasquatches. That's true.
Maybe that's how Sasquatches are formed.
All right. Oh,
Oh, more
Care Bears.
good old Care Bears.
Are these Care Bears? There's only, 12 that come in a box. So there's some more there.
Yep.
Oh, look.
Oh, more grow your own coat.
Grow your own coat. Pet food. Oh, it says it's a light chew meter. There's a chew meter on the back.
Oh,
Just in case you
a
needed to
light
know.
chew meter.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
It's not difficult to chew.
Okay.
Yes. So maybe even old dogs can.
Well, maybe. That
know.
might be why they're doing that. These, I think, are going to go well.
Yes, Force Flex trash bags. These are 30-gallon, 15 bags. Okay, so I use the 30-gallon in my 13-gallon trash cans at home because I hate them fitting so tight on the trash can. So I use giant ones because then I can just throw random stuff in them.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are the Force Flex Glad Heavy Duty. So it looks like we have a bunch of those. Drawstring bags.
I think we got a ton of them, actually.
Yeah, just a few.
Like that.
And
If
then
you
are
look behind,
these
you'll see like a tower of trash bags.
all of that.
Cool.
So that, if you want to just move all the trash bags over there, anything we've seen before. So it looks like these are
More
green
Care
and
Bear,
pink
maybe?
Care Bears, green and pink Care Bears.
We have loaded up on Care Bears. These pallets are flying by.
Yeah, they are. Too much fun.
More Care
More
Bears.
Care Bears.
I think there's a whole tower of peanut butter crackers there too.
There is. If Welvia hungry and have to stop mid
Give me-
Unboxing?
Need some dog treats and get us a Coke going.
sure can.
I'm serious. Is it possible to grow your own coat of fur? if you use dog food?
I think Bigfoot figured that out.
Maybe
and
that's how that came to be.
maybe it's really just people eating that.
Maybe the
stuff.
reason we can't find Bigfoot is because he just stopped eating the dog treats.
And he's a
now it's
person
going
now?
away.
It's true. We have Bluey.
Bluey.
This is super soft. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. Everyday throw. And it looks just like that.
I like it.
Yes. Did you know Bluey's a girl?
Bluey's not a girl. It is blue.
But Bluey's a girl.
I don't think so.
On the cartoon.
I
always thought Bluey was a boy, but they said somebody told me Bluey was a girl.
I'm against this proposition.
Are you? Okay, well.
Is Bluey a boy or
Your
a girl?
complaint is noted.
You can have a blue dog that is blue that's a girl, right?
I don't understand these things.
I'm confused.
Maybe he ate the wrong goat food.
Could be.
That's
Wrong
what it
pet
is.
food.
Yep.
Turned to blue.
Yep.
Oh my. You want Aiden to grab it?
Hold on. Is it going to come off the bottom? Ta-da!
What do we got there?
It's a toaster oven.
Toaster oven.
It's a
right
GE toaster oven.
there. You make pizzas with that?
Yes,
Is that
you
what the
can
deal
make
is?
anything in this.
You
It's like
can
a
make
miniature
anything.
oven.
If you can make pizzas, why aren't we doing this more
Right.
often? Put one up in the youth room.
We could put one up in the youth room.
You can make pizzas that way.
That's amazing. I'm just going to set this over here. So I think we have more than one if you look at the palette.
GE, it's got to be good.
Yeah. So, awesome.
That's massive, whatever this
It is massive. We're going to leave it right here and open it because it is heavy.
Oh my.
Luggage.
Oh
But
my.
wait. It feels heavy enough to maybe have something in it. Is it like a whole set?
I have no idea.
That's what I'm wondering. This thing is ginormous.
Some of this I can't even remember buying.
Did we get the wrong
Seriously,
order?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Okay.
I remember getting the Care Bear stuff and Bluey. I didn't know Bluey was a girl though.
Okay, hold on. We're going to do this. Thank you.
That is some heavy duty luggage
It
right
is.
there.
Oh, wait. That's just to widen it. Oh, thank you. Yep.
Oh, it's a ooh.
It's a whole set.
Well, this is perfect.
We need new luggage.
We do need new luggage.
We need new luggage like years ago. Okay, is there one in here?
It's at least a two-piece,
Yeah, let's see.
brand new. Well, it's still sealed. Oh, it's a three-piece.
But wait, there's more. Oh, this one might be empty
It's like a nesting doll of
of luggage. This is like your carry-on size. Oh, look, it's got like all of them have this.
got a lock to it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. What's the code? Oh. Right now the code is 0000.
There we go.
There you go. That's the last one.
That's.
That's an awesome. No wonder it was so heavy.
It looks good.
It's 3 suitcases in one. That's awesome.
Nice. We got to keep that box with it.
Yeah.
It'll fit perfect in the.
Just gonna
box
set it
can.
over here.
Just black.
Okay.
Awesome.
This one said white, but that's
Well,
clearly tan.
Let's go ahead and open that because if that said that was white, that's
Yeah.
not white.
Currently.
That's definitely tan, right?
Yeah.
It might be cream white, maybe. White
Maybe.
cream. So we need to see if whatever the black color looks like, too.
Yeah.
More trash bags.
Looks like these are peanut butter ones.
Peanut butter crackers. Looks like some more
Yeah.
toaster ovens.
We could probably just leave the toaster ovens right there. Okay, this one does look black in color. I'd almost want the lighter colored one because then you can spot it on a like conveyor belt
It's true.
if you're,
That's true.
but this one is.
A lot of people have black luggage, but you could always like.
Yeah, you can
tie
spot this.
stuff
Look at
to
the
it.
orange handle.
Oh, well,
It's
that
easy to
helps a little
spot.
bit there.
So,
Three-piece set again, too.
yes, the dimensions are 55.5 by 32.5 by 81 centimeters. We'll have to do the math on that. So,
Cool.
there you go. So we have 2 giant pieces of luggage. Ooh, this is lighter than I thought it was going to be.
Children's something. Something green.
It's a giant egg.
Oh, well, perfect time.
Look at that. It's Ryan's World. He's a YouTuber. It's like a YouTube thing for kids.
Mystery Art Egg, Series 2.
Now you can have your very own mystery egg just like Ryan. And it's got all these, this is what it's got in there.
Oh.
Crayons, markers, stencils, character erasers, and stickers.
Stickers and coloring
roll. So it's like a whole coloring kit.
That's cool.
Yeah, in an
nice
egg.
Easter thingy, you know?
Yeah, that's cool.
Could see that real well.
More Bluey. These are so soft. They're like super duper soft. Oh, it's a throw blanket, so you have to. There.
You have to throw it
now
in the
it's
air.
appropriate. Yes.
Throw it at your spouse, your children.
Yes.
Your children throw it at spouse.
You're
Children throw it at spouse.
You're
That's
violently
great.
throwing things at
I
families
like
all the
throw
time.
things.
You like to throw
Fun.
things.
Especially if it's that soft.
That's true.
You're not going to get in too much trouble.
What is this? It's a Comfort Cloud bath pillow.
So you can fall asleep in your bathtub.
Yes. It's got the little suction cups.
Take a nap in your bathtub.
Take a nap in your bathtub.
You can also use it in the shower, but you have to sleep standing up.
I see.
It's a whole new thing. Water bath.
When I was in my advanced training for the military, I legit would fall asleep standing up because I was so tired when we were in school.
See, you need that pillow and you can do it again.
It was the boring part of learning how to read the technical manuals. It was very boring.
Is it boring?
And I would, if you fell asleep in your seat, you'd get in big trouble. So I'd stand in the back and fall asleep standing up while holding the book. I got really good at it.
Everything else is already open.
Oh, it's all duplicates. So we've got
awesome
children's eggs. We've got, is that another, this is more of the pillows, toaster ovens, wire-bound notebooks. Those are those 6-packs, and then Glad, and then peanut butter crackers. So you can find all this stuff on hookedonpickin.com. So go to the snacks and candy categories for the Ritz crackers. You can go to the health and beauty for the pillows for the bathtub, and then the kitchen for your toaster oven.
I don't know where the suitcases are going to go. Where do we put those things?
Fun finds.
Fun finds?
We'll put them in fun finds.
Fun finds is where we put stuff we don't know where to
Yeah,
put.
if you can't find something, just,
go to fun finds.
Go to fun finds or use the search button and type in suitcase. So
Yeah,
you can do that too. All right, thanks so much for joining us on this unboxing. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.